Right, today we've got the same front two dogs there now rested. I just harnessed them all up, and we've replaced Inga. Unfortunately, she's too sick to go on, which is what I thought, and she's going in the sled. And we have got a new dog here, and I don't know what this one's name is, but he's very nice. He has lovely eyes. Hey. So you won't have to pull so hard, mate, the black one. Two steadies at the back. Hey. And got rid of some weight, so hopefully yesterday I had a huge bag of dog food and a huge bag full of metal, the lead out chain and all the pegs, which is really heavy. Holds 14 dogs. So now I've got rid of that and haven't got a sick dog. Hopefully I can go a bit faster. As you can see, it's a stunning day. I've stripped down just down to our long johns because I'm melting. There we go. And as you can see, cotton sweat. Anyway, see you later.